Good morning all of you. In the last period we have studied about a macro state. In the today's lecture we are going to study very important article that is microstates. Microstates is the important article we are going to discuss here. In the macrostates we have to consider for example of four particles. These four particles are distributed in the two compartments. Now in the microstate we have to consider that microstate particles here, that is macrostates. We have to consider that four particle, how many macrostates are there? 5 macrostates are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 particles we have to distribute it in possible arrangement for the different types of microstates. Macrostate particle are distributed in this case here. Since particles are distinguishable, all the particles are distinguishable, that is 0, 4 is the one first case. That is, since particles are distinguishable, 4 particles A, B, C and D, these are distinguishable. Each compartment wise distribution can be different, or distribution can have different arrangement as shown in this table. This table is very important for the microstates. First of all, we have to consider this different possible arrangement for that. Different possible arrangement for each macro steps. First macrostate we have to consider, that is 0 and 4, and that each different arrangement is known as microstate. Each different arrangement, that is 0, 4, this is one arrangement, 1, 3, another arrangement. Each different arrangement is known as a microstate. Each different arrangement is known as a microstate. Now consider first case, that is 0 and 4. Now here table, first of all we have to understand. First in the column we have to consider here, that is a macrostate. What we have to consider? A macrostate. We have a macrostate. How many macrostate we have for 4 particles? That is 5 macrostates. That is 0, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 0. These are the 5 macrostates we have to discuss in the last lecture. Now we have to use that 4 particle. Which are the 4 particles? A, B, C, D. They are macrostates of these particles are 0, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1 and 4, 0. How these particles are arranged in this microstate? That is possible arrangement. Now what are the possible arrangement? That we have to consider how many compartment? We have 2 compartment. First one is compartment number 1 and second one is a compartment number 2. 2 compartments we have, and now distributed these particles, these macrostate in possible arrangement. First we have to consider compartment number 1. How many particles are there? 0 particles are there. Compartment number 1, how many particles are there? 0 particles are there. In compartment number 2, how many particles? All 4 particles. That is A, B, C and D. कंपार्टमेंट नंबर 1 में कितने पार्टिकल्स है? 0. कंपार्टमेंट नंबर 2 में कितने पार्टिकल्स है? That is what we have to consider. 4 particles. How many particles? 4 particles. All the particles are fall in the compartment number 2. Now we have to calculate microstate. What we have to calculate? Microstate. How will you calculate? See here. That is a number of microstate calculated by using thermodynamic probability. Next article we are going to discuss what is thermodynamic probability and how the calculated particles are calculated by using the thermodynamic probability. See, this is very important point for this article. We know first macrostate is what? 0 and 4. First macrostate is what? 0 and 4. How these particles are distributed in the 2 different compartments, that is compartment number 1 and compartment number 2. Now we have to calculate the thermodynamic probability of first particle, that is first macrostate. What we have to say that consider a case of a 4 particle. Which are the 4 particle? A, B, C, D in a 2 compartment, compartment number 1 and compartment number 2. Number of number of macrostate in a microstate, say 0, 4. First case we have to consider a 0, 4. Now from 0, 4, how the particles can be distributed thermodynamically? See here. First of all, we have formula for thermodynamic probability. In the next article we have to discuss, but we have to write already here. That is a formula for a thermodynamic probability. This is called as what? Thermodynamic probability. Thermodynamic probability having formula W in bracket R comma N minus R. That is also called as what? NCR. In the last article, we have to consider for combination and permutation. In that, we have to calculate the combination for that. The combination having similar formula n factorial upon r factorial into bracket n minus r factorial. By using that formula NCR, or we have to say that thermodynamic probability, W is denoted by the symbol for thermodynamic probability. For that, W is of comma n comma W in the bracket R comma n minus R is equals to n factorial divided by R factorial in bracket n minus R factorial. First term is called as say R. Means here 0 is considered as what? R. R is equals to what? 0. See here carefully. R is equals to what? 0. Then second term is what? 4. 4 is considered as what? N minus R. N minus R is equals to what? 4. And here addition of these two particles, that is say 0 plus 4 is what? 4. And that is considered as what? N number of particles. Means we have how many particles here? That is n number of particles. But here in the case we have only 4 particles. So we have to consider n is equals to 4. First of all, we have to given the macrostate. What is the macrostate? 0 and 4. How this can be distributed in the probability, the thermodynamic probability? That is formula for thermodynamic probability is W in bracket R in comma n minus R is equals to n factorial upon R factorial in bracket n minus R factorial. Using this formula, we have how this can be particle can be stated. How many number of particles in the macrostate? Now see here, macrostate is what? 0 and 4. Now formula n factorial means what? 4 factorial is there. Then R factorial means what? 0 factorial is there. N की value 4, R की value 0. तो कितना हुआ? 0 factorial here and here 4 minus 0 factorial. Finally it gets that what? 4 factorial as it is. What is the value of 0 factorial? 0 factorial is equals to 1. Remember, 0 factorial is equals to what? 1. 0 becomes 1. And this is what? 4 factorial. How it can be write the 4 factorial? 4 factorial is equals to, we have to write that 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Means we have to write 4 factorial divided by 1 into 4 factorial. Right? From this we have to calculate the thermodynamic probability. What is the case we have? That is 0 and 4 is the condition for macrostate. 0 and 4 is the case for condition for macrostate. Now how these macrostates are distributed in the microstate? See here. What is the formula? N factorial divided by R factorial into bracket N minus R factorial. Substitute the value. It gets that 4 factorial divided by 1 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial is cancelled with what? 4 factorial. 1 upon 1. Answer is what? 1. Means the macrostate 0 and 4, it gets only one value of microstate. It gets macrostate is what? 1. Understand? Now we have to consider the second case. Second is what? 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Replace the value. Here what we have? Second case we have to discuss now. See, W is what now? W is 1 and 3. Here 1 comma 3. This is considered as what? R, and this is what? N minus R. And what is the formula? N factorial means what? 1 plus 3, that is 4 factorial. Divided by R is nothing but 1 factorial. And N minus R is considered as what? N minus R is what? 3 factorial. And it gives that is what we have? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 1 into, this is 3 factorial is what? 3 into 2 into 1 and this gets cancelled, and what is the answer we have? 4 by 1, it is equals to what? 4. What is the answer? See here, this is the 4. Now first of all we have to consider first macro state. First macro state, what is the condition? 0 and 4. First compartment 0. All remaining particles are A, B, C, D. Where? In compartment number 2. Where? In compartment number 2. Now see the second case, 1 and 3. Means what? Only 1, 3. Means compartment number 1 में कितने पार्टिकल होने चाहिए? 4 में से एक ही होना चाहिए. वो कौन रहेगा? फर्स्ट केस में ये रहेगा. तो बाकी रिमेनिंग क्या होगा? B and C is there. फर्स्ट वन में कौन सा गिरा? A. तो रिमेनिंग B and C, B, C and D. 3 are remaining in 2. Similarly, second possibility is what? B is in compartment number 1 and another is what? B के बाद कौन आएगा? C, D or A. It is compartment number 2. Then C is in second possibility. C is in what? C is in the compartment number 1 and after that C के बाद कौन? D, A, B. It can becomes in compartment number 2. Lastly, D is in compartment number 1 and D के बाद कौन रहता है फिर? Continuous cycle A, B, C. This is the 4 cases we have to consider for the macro state. Now, how it can be? Means we have here, what is the answer we have? 1. What is the answer here? 1. तो या ठिकाणी काय येणार आहे? या ठिकाणी किती केसेस येणार आहेत ह्या? 1, 2, 3, 4. तो आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? 4. कैसा आया? ये देखो 1, 3 के लिए आंसर क्या है? 4. तो व्हाट आर द पॉसिबिलिटीज फॉर 1, 3? A, B, C, D एक कंपार्टमेंट मध्ये उरलेले दुसऱ्या कंपार्टमेंट मध्ये पहिल्या केस साठी. दिस इज द फर्स्ट केस फॉर A, फॉर B, फॉर C and for D. We have to consider here. These are the 4 cases for the thermodynamic probability and macro states are what? 1, 3 के लिए macro states कितने हैं? 4 है. तो अभी 2, 2 के लिए क्या होगा? See here for 2, 2. Second case we have to consider W of 2, 2. How many particles are there? Total number of particles we have 4. तो n फैक्टोरियल कितना हुआ? 4. r की जगह क्या आएगा? 2. और n माइनस r के लिए जगह भी कितना होगा? 2 ही होगा. तो कितना आएगा आंसर? That is we have to consider here. That is 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 factorial is 2 into 1. And here also 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is cancelled with 2 into 1. That is 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 3 2 is what? 6. How many cases? That is 6. And here we have to see here. These are the 6 cases. Now what are there? The possibility is what? A में कितने पार्टिकल होने चाहिए? 2. B में कितने होने चाहिए? 2. तो कंपार्टमेंट A में समझो A और B है. तो कंपार्टमेंट B में क्या होना चाहिए? रिमेनिंग कौन है? C और D. कंपार्टमेंट A में कितना है? AC है. तो इधर कौन रहेगा? B और D. यहाँ पे A और D है. तो नेक्स्ट में क्या रहेगा? B और C. यहाँ पे B और C है. तो रिमेनिंग में क्या आएगा? A और D. AD. यहाँ पे BD है. तो रिमेनिंग क्या होगा? AC रहेगा. यहाँ पे CD है. तो रिमेनिंग क्या होगा? CD के बाद AB. And how many possible cases? That is what? 6 possible cases. By using this thermal probability 4 factorial upon 2 factorial into 2 factorial. That is we have to consider. That is 3 into 2 is 2 factorial is cancelled. That is 4 into 3, 12 divided by 2. This gets what? 6. This is the case we have to discuss here. And then lastly, we have to consider the case for 1 3 के लिए और 3 1 के लिए सेम रहेगा. 1 3 के लिए क्या होगा? ये सिर्फ रिप्लेस करना है. 1 3 के लिए क्या था? A, B, C फर्स्ट कंपार्टमेंट में थे. रिमेनिंग इधर थे. अब रिमेनिंग इधर आएंगे और A, B, C, D कंपार्टमेंट नंबर 2 में जाएंगे. And similar possibilities we have to observe, that is thermodynamic probability 3, 1 is equals to what? 4. Similarly, the first case is what? 0, 4. In the first compartment 0 and another compartment A, B, C, D. Here also 4 in the first compartment, 4 in the first compartment and 0 in the second compartment. And again 4 0 के लिए probability क्या है? 1. यहाँ पे भी क्या आएगा? 1. Now for 4 particle, what is the thermodynamic probability? Let us see here. Number of macrostate for 4 particles. Number of macrostate for 4 particles we have to consider. First of all, that is microstate for 4 particle. काउंट करो कितने हैं? 1 plus 4 कितना हुआ? 5. 5 plus 6 that is 11. 11 plus 4 15. 15 plus 1 it gets what? Answer is 16. Total कितना हुआ? 16. 16 आंसर आया. तो क्या लिख सकते हैं? 4 particles means what? The microstate for 4 particle, that is a formula is what we have, that is 2 raised to n. What is the value of n? N is equals to, you have to consider say 4, and that is 2 raised to 4 is what? 16. In general, for n particle, what are the macrostates for n particle? The macrostate for n particle having formula is 2 raised to n. Macrostate for n particle is, we have to consider, formula is 2 raised to n. Many times multiple choice question is asked on that. What are the different types of macrostate for the n particle? For in general system of n particle, total number of system of n particle, macrostate for n particle, that is answer is what? 2 raised to n. For 4 particle, for 4 particle, 2 raised to 4, and that is equals to 16. In this way, we have to explain a macrostate. Microstate. We have to explain microstate. Microstate म्हणजे each different arrangement is known as microstate of the system. Each different arrangement of is known as microstate of the system. Firstly, we have to consider what? Firstly, we have to consider how many particles we have? 4 number of particles. They can be distributed in the different types of a macrostate. म्हणजेच मायक्रोस्टेट काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला सर्वात पहिल्यांदा मॅक्रोस्टेट माहित असल्या पाहिजे. मायक्रोस्टेट काढण्यासाठी मॅक्रोस्टेट माहित असणे गरजेचं आहे. 2 कंपार्टमेंट होते, त्यामध्ये किती पार्टिकल टाकले आपण? 4 पार्टिकल टाकले. 4 पार्टिकल असतील तर त्याच्या पॉसिबल मॅक्रोस्टेट किती असतात? 5 असतात. n पार्टिकल असतील तर मॅक्रोस्टेट किती असतात? n+1 असतात. म्हणजेच व्हॉट वी हॅव टू से दैट 4 पार्टिकल के लिए 5 मैक्रोस्टेट होगी और 3 पार्टिकल के लिए 4 मैक्रोस्टेट होगी. और ये मैक्रोस्टेट से आप क्या निकाल सकते हैं? उसके पॉसिबल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ अरेंजमेंट in compartment number 1 and compartment number 2, that can be calculated by using what? Thermodynamic probability. What is the formula for thermodynamic probability? The formula for thermodynamic probability is Wn, n minus r is equals to n factorial upon r factorial into bracket n minus r factorial. And using this formula, we have to calculate microstate for first case, second case, third case, fourth case, and nth case. Like that, we have to calculate a general statement for microstate. N particle, there are 2 raised to n microstate. 2 raised to n. 4 particle, there are 2 raised to 4 microstate. What is the answer for 2 raised to 4? That is get the 16. And this is the very important case for microstate. I hope we have to understand this table and how the possible cases can be drawn from the given macrostate to microstate. Okay, thank you.